Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus Boba. Today I will be sharing with you guys on how you can make more money fast with DoorDash by leveraging the rating system. Okay, when I first got started, I had no idea about the rating system. What I did was that I just took out every delivery and I was really able to get started on a good foot. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna share with you the 5 categories, give you some quick details on how everything works, and so you can leverage it yourself. But before we get started, make sure you check out my first video. Share with you guys on how I earn $4,000 every single month, and you can do the same. So let's get right into how we can maximize the DoorDash rating so we can make more money fast. So that's 5 categories. Okay, number 1 is the customer rating. Number 2 is the acceptance rate. Number 3 is the completion rate. And number 4, lifetime or early. 5, we have the lifetime deliveries. So now I'm gonna go into each category very briefly. So number 1, the customer rating. So basically, if you do a good job, you're gonna get a good rating. It's pretty common sense, you know what I'm saying? There's really nothing crazy about it. If you do a good job, you get a good rating. Acceptance rate. Every time you accept an order, that's going to affect your rating positively, okay? If you also complete the order, which is the completion rate, it's also going to affect your rating positively, right? And then on time or early. Okay, now, I don't think DoorDash is really focusing on this one. Usually it just kind of stay there. Sometimes it go up, sometimes it doesn't. I really don't focus on it. So that really, it's not a big focus. Okay, and then we have lifetime deliveries, okay? You have to do 100 deliveries, complete 100 deliveries, and then 200 in lifetime deliveries. So what that does for you, okay, when you're getting started, I would recommend your goal is for you to accept and complete every delivery. What that does for you is that you will be able to get into the Top Dash program, which is a very, I would say, lucrative program. If you understand how the whole gig economy works, it's very lucrative. I spoke about it in my first video. So, but before we get into more details, I will ask you guys to please smash the like on this video, okay? I will buy you some really good African food and send it straight to your house through the DoorDash platform. And secondly, to be honest with you, it's gonna really help my video out. It's gonna really help the channel out. And YouTube can recommend this video to more people that will be interested in making more money fast by leveraging on the DoorDash platform and also maximizing the rating. So with that being said, let's go right into our second section. Right, so now, this next thing I want to share with you is that there's 2 categories. There's internal and external. Internally, we cannot control the ratings, okay? It's some type of technology. I'm not a tech guy, but I cannot control the rating internally. But externally, there's a couple of stuff I can do that can trickle the rating on the positive side, and it can affect my rating on the DoorDash platform. And that can help me to get to making more money fast. You see, when I came in my first month, that was my goal. My goal was to take every orders and complete every orders. At the end of that, my first month, I ended up with 3,000 and some change. And you can do the same, right? So we cannot control the rating internally. We can only control externally. How can we do that? It's by accepting every delivery. Your first month, when you get started as a beginner, you want to accept every delivery and complete every delivery. Not only that, it's going to help you with your ratings, but you will be able to make more money. More money, what that does for you on the DoorDash platform, if you complete every, like I said, lifetime deliveries is 100 and 200. I'm sure if you really focus, you go out there, you're completing those deliveries, you will be able to do 200 lifetime deliveries. And what that does for you, you will be able to get to that Top Dash program. Now, the Top Dash program is very basic, okay? You can dash anytime you want. I love it. No time, there's no time, I have to set up to come in the city. I just, come in the city when I want to. I just go dash when I want to. I love it. Secondly, when it's slow, you get more deliveries as opposed to the guy who's not a top, dasher, right? So you really want to focus on accepting those delivery and completing the delivery. And something I see some people have concern about, it's only $4, $5. Listen, I understand. This is all a number game. If you really pay attention to this and you study this app, you're going to understand that it's all a number game. The more orders you complete, somewhere, somehow, you're going to land some big tips and sometimes some small tips. But if you can play with the numbers, you will always end up on the higher side, which is making more money and really moving up and maximizing the rating system, right? And then, like I said in the beginning, two crucial points that you need to focus on is that accepting every orders. When you get started, you need to accept every order. A lot of people don't know that when you get started, most of the time you will be given the opportunity to participate in the DoorDash platform. What a lot of people do is that they do multiple apps. So they do DoorDash today, and the following day they do another app. So they're not focusing on maximizing the rating. See, when I came in, my goal was to really understand the app. So when I got the opportunity that our store, if you can complete a certain amount of deliveries in a certain amount of time, we're gonna give you the opportunity to participate in the Top Dasher program. I was like, bro, if I can get an opportunity to dash anytime, and when it's slow, I can get more orders as compared to the guy who's on a Top Dasher, this is easy money for me. So I came in and I accepted every delivery, and secondly, I completed every delivery. That really helped me and set me up to a good start. That's how I pick up from the 3,000 plus my first month, and it's ever since then I've been in the 4,000 plus minimum, 4,000 plus, 4,000 plus, and you can do the same. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. And lastly, I'm gonna tell you this. Okay, let me just keep this real with you. Stop taking advice from those who do not make money on the DoorDash platforms. What do I mean by that? Okay, this is what I would do. If I'm just getting started, I want to match the ratings so I can make more money fast. I'm only going to take advice from people that are making minimum of $800 a week, because you know why? If this guy's making minimum of $800 a week, they're doing something correctly. Stop listening to these guys who just complaining, oh, DoorDash this, DoorDash that. Trust me, you got to go out there and really make this thing happen for yourself. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope this really helped you to really get on the platform and make more money fast for yourself. Okay, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at AYRoyalFit. Thanks for watching. It was great speaking with you guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.